Hey, gun. Here. Alright. I'm a loud ass cars, loud ass car, loud ass car. We'll show you guys today about some Plasti dip. Stuff is great. I'm about to do these trim pieces because they got all these barnacles on them. We're gonna Plasti dip them. So I'm taping off everything. I did a test on this thing. Hey, what are you doing? And just testing around. But the great thing about the spray paint is that it peels right off. Yeah. So you can make anything, any color. You can do your rims, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, this was a test piece. Now, I'm gonna see how this stuff works on this trim. So yeah, let me get back to you. A little bit of progress here. Still taping everything off. And I know you're wondering, if it peels off, why are you taping it off? It's because I'm lazy, counter lazy. All right, keep taping. All right, let's see.
Turn her back around. Give me one reason to see her, and I'll turn her back around. But I don't wanna leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. I don't want no one to squeeze me. They might take away my life.
There we go.
I don't want no one to squeeze me. They might take away my life.
I'm gonna get this motherfucker looking brand new.
I just want some.
Alright, I'll check back. Alright.
Of the season, when love runs high, and this time, give it to me easy, and let me try.
Alright, so this is dried some. We're gonna apply another coat. Alright. I think the second coat is dried pretty good. Let's do a comparison here real quick. Barnacle's still over here. Got to do this side. But this side looks good so far. Alright, time for another coat. Alright, getting this other side prepped. While letting this one dry. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Alright, so I'll check back in a minute, folks. I'm probably not going to show you this whole thing, just show you the finished product on the other side. But you get the idea, the shit's golden. And just an example, I didn't tape this window off, and I got some oversplash. Check it out, you just... I mean, the shit's simple, just pick it off. And it dried quick as hell, too. But yeah, that's always an option if you don't feel like taping everything off. Anyway, I'll get back. Alright. It's only been like 15 minutes since I even started this. I peeled the tape off and everything's looking good. Pretty good stuff. Still got to finish this one up, but I ain't gonna show y'all all that. Y'all know what's going on already. Anyway, there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Plasti dip for the motherfucking win.